here's the toolkit, and we find this one, hex spanner, and left and right. We find this screw and untighten it. And we can simply move to the left. Screw it. And there are two spacers. You need to put in that place. A little bit hard, and it's not a big deal if you don't put it in. So, because this rollator is not made for people who use left hand, so because you need to use the left hand, so we provide you this method to swap the hand. And you need to pay attention. After you swap the right hand to left hand, if you leave the armrest, it probably blocked at this part. It's not a big deal, but you need to know.